If Tushar want to create or build his own e-commerce store, like what would be that step-by-step process if you can share with all of us?
Yeah, for sure. I guess to break it down, first, you really need to find product. It could be like a single product, if it's like high ticket item, like if you're really focusing on that one and then it has like unique advantages, it could be one product you're selling, but usually we try to upsell based on the one, or you can like choose a niche. And the important part here, I would say in the first step, is to really find your interest, because I've definitely seen, even myself, I've tried to sell like just house selling product like that I feel like could be popular, but I'm not personally interested in it. And then because running an e-commerce store, like you will face a lot of challenges, just like any other business. If you're not personally believing in the product's benefit or you're just not interested in that particular niche, it could be hard like later on.